Hi, I'm Ruth, and I'm coming to you to talk about the Unconference. I want to talk about my connection to Peggy, Garcia-Marquez, who is my co-facilitator, who actually was the brainstorm for this process that we're doing. Peggy and I have known each other for many years, and we've worked with each other in many different ways. We both, I think, we have so much passion and so many gifts and talents that we've helped each other to hone and create and challenge each other with throughout the years that we've worked together. Peggy and I have butted heads. Peggy and I have a strong relationship as far as she has very strong ideas, and so do I. And I think that what's most valuable about this process is that our relationship as co-facilitators, as professional people, has grown the same way that an unconference can grow you. And we have learned to accept that whatever happens is the right thing that happens. Whatever is said is the right thing that's said. Even to the point of having to stand up for ourselves with each other. Even to the point of having to go away and use the law of 2 feet in our relationship and to walk away professionally and say, I need some time. Part of that is because we both have such strong personalities and such strong passion for bringing light to the world, for bringing, for all boats to rise, for us to uplift other people through the Unconference, so that other people can bring their best self, so that they can shine, and that would be our purpose together. So I feel very fortunate to be able to offer this Unconference, to be able to do this with Peggy, and to fulfill a dream that we had.